chick. I know if I could hit once, I could hit twice. I'll hit the baddest chicks. Sure they don't believe me, then come with me tonight and I'll show you magic. What? Magic. I got the magic stick.
I'm a freak to the core. Get a dose once, you gon' want some more. My tongue touch your girl, your toes bound to curl. This exclusive stick, I don't share with the world. I had you up early in the morning, back shot proper, the low can't stop us. Been a fiend for this, since Rakim made hits. Get the position down pat, then it's time to switch. I rock the boat, I work the middle.